Have you ever felt like something within you is changing, that you're becoming more aware of the world and your place in it? You may be going through a spiritual transformation. Here are some common signs that may indicate you're evolving spiritually. 1. Increased awareness and perception. One of the most apparent signs of spiritual evolution is an increased awareness of one's surroundings. It's as if a veil has been lifted, and the world appears in sharper focus. You become more present and mindful, living fully in the moment rather than always rushing ahead to the future. You may find yourself noticing subtle details in your environment or feeling more emotionally attuned to other people's energy and emotions. This heightened perception is a clear indicator of spiritual growth. 2. Greater sense of purpose and meaning. As you grow spiritually, you'll likely develop a greater sense of purpose and meaning in life. You may find yourself searching for answers to life's big questions or reevaluating your priorities and life goals. You may also experience a deepening of your spiritual beliefs and seek out ways to connect with a higher power or divine energy. This sense of purpose and connection with something larger than oneself is an undeniable sign of spiritual evolution. 3. Deepening connection with divine energy. Another vital aspect of spiritual transformation is developing a deepening connection with divine energy. This energy is often referred to as God, the universe, or a higher power, and it can manifest in various ways, such as through prayer, meditation, or communal worship. As this bond grows stronger, individuals often feel a sense of comfort and guidance from this energy, which can lead to greater inner peace and strength, especially during challenging times. 4. Expanded consciousness and understanding. One of the most profound signs of spiritual evolution is experiencing an expanded consciousness and understanding of the world. You may find yourself seeing things in a new light or experiencing previously hidden connections between seemingly disparate events. You gain new insights into life and a sense of interconnectedness, leading to a more profound understanding of self and others. 5. Enhanced intuition and inner guidance. Intuition and inner guidance are central to spiritual evolution, and many individuals find that their intuition grows stronger as they progress spiritually. Your intuition is your inner voice, the intuition and guidance that comes from within. As you learn to trust it and tune into it, it can lead you to make better life choices, develop more fulfilling relationships, and pursue a more meaningful life path. 6. Positive changes in relationships and life circumstances. As you continue to grow spiritually, you're likely to notice positive changes in your relationships and life circumstances. You may find yourself feeling more loving and compassionate towards others, leading to more fulfilling and supportive relationships. You may also notice that the universe seems to be working in your favor more often, presenting you with new opportunities and positive experiences that align with your spiritual journey. 7. Challenges and obstacles on the path to spiritual transformation. Spiritual growth isn't always easy, however. There will be challenges and obstacles on the path, including doubts, fears, and setbacks. It's essential to recognize that these challenges are part of the journey and to embrace them as opportunities for growth and learning. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more insightful content.